My name is Ashley. I work for Eberhard Automation LLC. We are a company that has perfected pen insertion. We build machines that do PCB boards or connectors, mainly in the automotive industry. And we have started using Sortly now for more than 6 months for our inventory system, and we absolutely love it. We'd give it a 5 out of 5. So before we were using old school systems with Excel that were made by us humans that had some errors in it and people could mess up the formulas. So we had a lot of inconsistencies with it and tracking, which is what pushed us into getting a software. So we did a lot of research online, and Sortly seemed to actually just be the most user friendly with a good price point for the size of my company and where we're at for inventory. So we decided to give it the trial run, and its user friendliness is what's really sold me on it. We chose Sortly because of how customizable it is. We're able to customize all the fields that we've put in there. So since we are a global company and I have entities in Germany and Czech and China, we deal with importing and exporting a lot. So we work with HS codes, and every item has an HS code. So this system has allowed me to customize it and put in HS codes and countries of origins for all my parts, as well as creating a specialized barcode for each part that I can just scan in my inventory room right there and take it in or put it out of inventory to sell it. Actually, this was probably my favorite part because a lot of systems I have worked with in the past have done a lot of mergers into new systems. Sortly was one of the easiest to upload to since we already had things in Excel. We were able to upload pretty quickly, and honestly, even just the copy paste from Excel into Sortly was super quick and easy and made my setup process less than a day. I would tell them to go ahead and give it at least the 30-day trial. You know, those are one of those things we all sign up for, being like, we don't know if we're going to stick with this or whatnot. But honestly, once you get your hands on it, it sells itself. We use actually a phone instead of a hand scanner in our inventory room to be able to have the Sortly app downloaded to scan my incoming and outgoing shipments. So it's actually super handy that I could put it on any phone, but we just have a dedicated phone in this inventory room for it. But that just the ease of use for it when you start doing it, that you can pull it up anywhere. It's cloud based. My guys can use it. I don't have to worry about really an extensive training for anybody. I mean, once you just get in there and start playing with it, it really just sells itself on all the awesome things I can do, even the customizable reports. So I can do a quick inventory report.